Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into this May tray. Honey, if you know, I've been kind of doing a theme, and I know this tray looks a little bit unthemey-ish, but I decided to do some oldie but goodies, okay? So these are some older released fragrance, some of them. I have one that is a new release because I'm trying it out. But some are fragrances that I have not been tapping into as of late. And yeah, they're a little bit older, but they're always good. And they're good definitely for this spring season. So let's get right into it. So we have right in the front. So this is Melon Kiss from Navitus in partnership with Gabby Loves Perfumes. This I am testing and trying. I really have enjoyed this fragrance. We will get more into it. But if you like a good honeydew, and you might not like a good honeydew melon type of scent, but when I say this one, we'll get into it more, but this one is so good. But it's on my tray for me to test out, okay? But everything else is an oldie but goodie. All right, let's move on. So next up, I have Escada Miami Blossom, and this was launched back in 2019. This is like your tropical cocktail, okay? So definitely if you're looking for a good fruity fragrance, one that has your pineapple, watermelon, blueberry, just all of your fruits, that is a great one. And if you're new to my tray, I don't go over notes a lot, but sometimes I do mention them from here and there. All right. Next up, we have Lieb from YSL. This is an oldie, but definitely a goodie, but definitely controversial because some people don't like her. You know, the lavender in this, some people don't like, but I will say I have enjoyed her. I recently got a compliment. Somebody said that it smells fruity. But this is a really good citrus fragrance. I absolutely adore this, but the key to this, to me, in my humble opinion, you cannot overspray this fragrance. That lavender can sometimes leave you to some headachy type of situations, and you might not like that. So I do go very light in the sprays, but it's still a great one, okay? Next up, we have some Chance, some Chanel Chance. Yes, we did Chanel again. This is the Eau Vive fragrance. I absolutely love this. This was launched back in 2015. If you're looking for a citrus, woody, spicy, powdery, white floral scent, look no further. I absolutely adore this fragrance. Like, to a point, like the addiction was real, and I was like, if you don't put that thing down, I had to yell at myself. Sometimes I gotta do that. But it has your blood orange, so some grapefruit, some jasmine in this, and some iris and cedar. So it gives that woody, that powdery, the fruity, the citrus. It's so good. And I brought on her sister, okay? And so this is Chance Chanel, and this is the Eau Fraiche version. Now, if you know me, you know I have a love-hate relationship with that fragrance. Sometimes I love her, and sometimes I just can't. I can't with her. But I decided to put her on my tray because she is definitely an oldie but goodie, because when she is good, she is really good. And I think sometimes the turnoff for me is, you all know how I am about some green fragrance. And sometimes when you wear that fragrance, that green comes out a little bit more. And I'm like, I don't have time for that. So She does sit very beautiful. Now, I will say there are a lot of fragrance lovers that do love that fragrance. So if you're out there, hey, but you know, just sometimes it's too much for me at times. Anyway, moving on to this beauty right here. This is L'Impératrice 3, and this is from Dolce & Gabbana. When I say, if you're looking for a good watermelon, a good fruity floral scent, look no further. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. I absolutely love this. This is like old school, even old school packaging. Look at that. She go back. Me and her, we go back like Jack. But she is definitely an oldie but goodie. Your fruity, floral, it's just so good. I mean, what do you want me to say? It's just good. If you have it, you know. We can get more into depth with it, but there's not much to say. Does she last long? Yeah, she's cool. She's a good easy reach. She works with you. But she ain't gonna work 24 hours a day. You know, she do take breaks. Next up, an oldie but goodie, Moschino Gold. Oh my goodness, this is so good. If you are looking for a pear, mango, white peach, rhubarb, jasmine, lily of the valley, musk, vanilla type of scent with some woody, some sandalwood in it, that is so good. As cheap, I wouldn't even say cheap, more affordable, because I hate really using the word cheap, but more affordable fragrance to have all those notes and for it to not smell cheap. Okay, I said it. It does not smell cheap to me. It really does smell good, but this is a real oldie back in 2017, but it still speaks volumes, and you can get it at a really good deal. I mean, help yourself if you can find it, get it. It's a really good fragrance if you're looking for a good fruity floral. That is another one that I know you would love. I'm just going to say it. I know you would love. All right, moving on. Next up, I have two Narciso Rodriguez fragrances. The first one, 2019. This is Pure Musk. Oh my goodness. If you're looking for a good powdery musk, fresh scent, you need this. You need it, you need it, you need it. If you like a good fresh musk powdery scent, you need it. And then another oldie goodie right here in the front from 2016, we have Narciso Poudre. You all, this fragrance, I mean, for a good bedtime scent, you have arrived, okay? Even out, I mean, it's a good easy reach. You have your jasmine, again, your musk, your rose. And to me, the only difference from a lot of differences, but the Poudre and the Pure Musk really leans clean, heavy on the musk, and to me, Poudre has like florals in the top and then leads you to like this musk, because Narciso Rodriguez is a musk type of brand, so it's going to have musk in it, but I think that your Poudre really highlights the floral piece, where the Pure Musk really highlights the fresh of it, just in my opinion. All right, next up, oldie but goodie, I have two MAC fragrances on my tray. I have Turquatic, okay, and this, as you can imagine, is your aquatic, very fresh, does have some florals, does have some fruit, like it's very watery, gives me beach, you know, gives me, I've been to the water and back again, to the water and back again. That's not a song, but I can make it one. And then next I have Candy Yum Yum. All right, ooh baby, if you're looking for a good yummy scent, very playful but still giving depth, this is a good one too. I am definitely going to enjoy that. I can't wait. Next, we have a good peony scent with Carolina Herrera, and that is blush. This beautiful shoe right here in all its gloriousness. All right, this is Carolina Herrera blush, and if you love a good bergamot, so citrus, but it really highlights that peony and that vanilla. And it's not even an oldie because it came out, I feel like 2023, like last year or something. But when I say Carolina Herrera comes out with so many fragrances that the next year, everything before that is an oldie but goodie. Facts. Facts. Okay. She comes out with so many different shoes that you're like, okay, this is old school, because now we got a blush elixir. You know what I'm saying? It just keeps coming and coming. We got a purple shoe out there. It's so many that, yeah, everything is just old school to me. Moving on. Next up, from Bond number 9, this is Astor Place. Look at just this bottle. Look at this bottle from Astor Place. Bond number 9. This is your citrus, so a mandarin orange. You got your freesia, so you got your floral, your red poppy, your musk, your amber in there, so it definitely gives some warm vibes. But if you're looking for a good citrus fragrance, I fell in love with this. This is absolutely a great citrus fragrance. This was back in 2009, so it is still an oldie but a goodie. I can't wait to just wear her this season, because when that wind hits, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Next up, we have a 2020 Angel Nova in the building, and it kind of reminds me of the releases of maybe Carolina Herrera. Maybe not as bad, but honey, from 2020, I'm gonna call it old school, okay? But she's still good. This, I call her Baby Delina. Your rose, your fruity. This is so good, okay? So my fruity floral lovers, and it lasts and lasts and lasts. So you would absolutely enjoy that, but I'm gonna get my life with that. I can't wait. Probably one of my favorite fruity floral. But anyway, speaking of Delina, she's here too. She's here with baby. But this is Parfums de Marly, Delina. We all know about her. Oldie but a goodie, okay? I don't care. You know, some people may not like the rhubarb. I'm in love. She's still good. She still does my body good. I cannot wait to wear her. Let me bring out on the other side of town. But I cannot wait to wear my Delina with the Nest Turkish Rose. Ooh, she's not on my tray. Ooh, but I can't wait to wear her with baby Delina. And, okay, Delina. Then I have Kayali here. And this one is Deja Vu. If you like a good white floral, I think this is a great wedding scent. We'll talk about weddings. But I think that is a great wedding topper. I have the hair mist with Deja Vu. It is so good. It's definitely old school, but that white floral and that vanilla that's in there, it's so good. It's just good. Like, if you don't have that, that is a classic Kayali fragrance that you need in your collection. Like foundation, you know, as far as like vanilla and white, like she is that girl. Like spring down. Like, who you talking to? Then another Mugler, we have Alien. And this is Sublime, all right? And if you like another like citrus type of fragrance, that is a good one. I know that it looks like there's a lot of citrus on my tray, and you're like, oh sis, but you don't like citrus. I don't like some citrus, especially ones that lean very cleaner product. But there are some citrus fragrances that are really beautiful, does my body good. They're amazing, they're excellent, and I love them, okay? Well, family, that is my tray for the month of May. Hey, what will you be rocking for the month of May? I would love to know. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.